Hey, so the term is replacement theology. And I just want you to think about that word for a moment. Replacement theology comes heavily out of those who hold, some, not all, some who hold to Reformed theology. And in their Reformed theology, they have in their practice replacement theology. Replacement. Think about the word replacement. Replacement of a hip, replacement of a heart. What's going on here? It's taking out that which was and putting in something that is new. Take out Israel from the Bible and put the church in, because that's what we want to do, they say. Israel has no right to God any longer. They're the Christ killers. They blew it. And everything that God promised to Israel is now promised to the church. Thus, replacement theology. I want to leave you with this thought. I believe that is one of the most, if not the most, egregious and arrogant belief systems today. It justifies, first of all, and spreads anti-Semitic thought. But did you know that God is not an anti-Semite? It also violates the Bible. God says that his covenant with the nation of Israel and the children of Abraham, that is both by belief and by genetics and by government. God says, I will never, never abandon the covenant I've made with them. It is eternal. As long as there's stars and sun and moon in the sky, so long will my covenant be with Israel forever. So why replacement theology? Because it's a bad doctrine. It is evil from the get-go. It violates the authority of Scripture, and frankly, it understands nothing about Bible prophecy, because wherever Israel appears, they put the church in there, and that corrupts the entire narrative of eschatology, and it is certainly holding suspect soteriology, the doctrine of salvation. Friends, get away from replacement theology and from those who hold to it. It is a last days manifestation promised by the Lord, that there'd be those in the last days departing from the faith. There would be those in the last days that would turn their back on Israel. Just make sure you're not one of them.